no square. Pizza's ready. So, we're drinking High Alai. My favorite beer from Florida. They have it in Dallas.
Grab it.
You want to go grab the pizza?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Do I take the receipt?
Yeah.
Sure. Do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Are you good in your bare feet?
Uh-huh.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
This is awesome having a teenager.
It is.
This is crazy. This is new. This is new. I'm gonna sit here and drink my High Alai and hope he returns with pizza.
Do it again. That you'll do, but you won't laugh like the guy.
They are crazy.
A pepperoni pizza for Dan Lowry.
That's us. Thanks.
All right.
One pepperoni pizza? I thought you were getting two.
No, I got a half cheese, half pepperoni, mushroom, and onion.
My.
I didn't know I was supposed to get two.
I got 5 plates just in case something happened to one of them.
Here you go.
And a spare plate. I'm that cool.
So,
Yes.
13th birthday.
Good.
Good?
Yes. No, great.
It's not your real birthday.
Yeah, not
It
yet.
is.
Well,
It's his birthday celebration. It's his weekend.
Yeah, but it's not the day that he has his birth.
It's true.
yes,
But
I was not born today.
do you want to go do something else?
Like what?
You can play Magi Quest. You can get treats.
Yes.
Do you want to get treats?
What?
Do you want to get treats?
Yes, I.
This is your night, man.
I
What do you want to
really
do?
want to get treats.
You want to get treats?
I'm gonna go get treats first. Get like a ton of treats, and then we can like eat them over. Yeah.
All right.
James, what do you want?
Oh.
I want this one. Wait, no, not that one. That one, that one, and that one.
You don't get 3.
How much do I get?
1.
Wait, no, I want that.
2 of these. James, what do you want? Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Banana split's my favorite.
Leslie, what do you want?
I want the brownie batter. No. The Cool Mint Crunch.
It's small? Let's do a regular Cool Mint Crunch.
Where are we going?
We're going to the gift shop.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Wait,
and
do I have to go to the gift shop?
Yeah. Come on.
the gauntlet of power will grab you out of existence.
Woo!
I'm gonna go to the wizard place.
Go. No, you're going to the gift shop.
No, wizard place.
I don't even have my shoes on. I don't need them.
What are you going to do at the wizard place?
Wait, we need our
I'm gonna
booklets.
start my next course.
Oh,
We
you
need
need
our
your
booklets.
booklet. It's okay. Hey,
Here, you go to
we'll
the
meet you at the gift shop.
I'll meet you at
Okay. Hey, tell Dad that if he wants to see the nighttime show, that he needs to come downstairs. Good morning.
What are we doing?
Aiden wants to go swim in the water park or go down the slides for like an hour, and then stop that. And then do the Magi Quest for like an hour while we pack up, and then we're gonna head out. And we're all freezing because our suits are still wet.
Are you cold, little bug? What are you getting?
Either a cookie with that cream and sprinkles in the middle, or a powdered donut if they don't have any.
Are you getting it?
I don't know what I want.
Omelet.
Is it good, Aiden?
How was that thing? Good? How was that thing? Good?
I recommend you get
Park just opened. It is not too crowded yet. Oh my goodness. No one in line. Too early for stairs.
No one in line though. Come at 9 o'clock if you want to just bypass the line.
Yes. Yes. Backwards. Oh my. Oh, there you go. Oh. All right. Tornado.
Okay, what was the best part?
The best part was probably either going on the green slide over and over and over again and Mom always going backwards, or Magi Quest. That was awesome.
Awesome. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
In the water park?
Okay. I think my favorite slide is either the green one or the tornado.
Whoa!
I'm 7.
You're brave, and I'm 7. You're a brave
And I
boy.
love going backwards on the green one.
Mom does not.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm cold though.
It is a little chilly down here.
Xavier to the kingdom. Laughter bringing throughout the kingdom and stop everyone through.
All right, Aiden is doing the dragon challenge.
I'm doing it after him.
You're doing it after him?
Yep.
No. I'm gonna go in with him, okay?
You may now enter the dragon's lair. Now you want to point towards the top of that podium, like the dot?
The dot. Click. This goal. Woo, freeze, hit the freeze. Shake it.
Just like cast now.
Cast now.
There you go.
Ice arrow. Fast.
Yeah.
There it
Now you
is.
can protect yourself.
So Aiden lost. He got defeated by one thing. And now Jennings is gonna try.
May now enter the dragon's lair. Now give your wand a firm point so it's okay.
Freeze it! Go! At the skull! You missed it? Select the skull! Oh, ice arrow!
There's that time for that. Also.
Yeah. Now, skull! Ice! Skull! Shake it! Ice arrow, go! Aiden is a little frustrated that he did not get to defeat the dragon. However, it will just give us something to look forward to next time, right?
Yep.
So, we will defeat dragons the next time we come, right, Jennings?
Yeah.
Did we have fun?
Woohoo!
Are you sure?
Yes. The boys are disappointed. Well,
You
Aiden
didn't
is
defeat the
disappointed.
dragon.
Yes.
I got us a great lunch and aired up your tire that was a little low. It is right at noon and we are headed home.
Yay!
So you didn't defeat the dragon, huh?
No.
Yeah, well, maybe next time.
But
what I
I do
said.
get to keep this cool wine.
That's neat.
I said.
Good birthday?
I'll
Good
grab
birthday.
you out of existence.
All right.
I said that'll just give us a goal for next time.
Yep.
Defeating the dragon.
Yeah.